Hi Kickstarter, I'm Mark Ines, architect and product designer in Santa Monica, California. This year I opened a startup design company called MOTATOE. It's a gathering place for all the product ideas I've been sketching while working on big building projects. We're getting ready to launch our very first product, the AboutFaceClock, and I'd love your help.
The AboutFaceClock hangs on a wall, on a corner, or on a ceiling, and can face any direction. You decide. It started as a very simple idea. I noticed that a typical flat clock is usually mounted near the middle of a room, so it's seen from most of the space. So I imagined a clock that could be in the corner or anywhere else and still be seen. This meant it would have to hang at different angles and be changeable. And without numerals, it could also be rotated and still work by adjusting the hands. After dozens of sketches and paper models, I finalized the faceted shape with multiple angles on back. I also developed a new mounting bracket that allowed for all the possible directions. The clock could be removed and turned about face.
And when I finished working it all out, I realized there was something very elegant about this final design. It isn't just another version of a standard everyday item we're all used to seeing.
Somehow, the angular form, the way it mounts, the straightforward manufacturing, and the minimal aesthetics elevated this simple clock into a hanging sculpture, a design object that's unique and casts different shadows for any different position you decide on. The AboutFaceClock is very simple to use. Attach the bracket to a surface and hang the clock with any of the slots on back. Be sure the hands are adjusted for whichever way you face it, and move the magnets to indicate the 12, 3, 6, and 9. That just helps orient the clock at any angle. To change up and face it another way, there's no need to remove the bracket. Just switch the magnets, adjust the hands, and rehang it on other slots. Or simply stand it upright on a shelf or desk too.
We liked the idea so much we decided to create another version, a round AboutFaceClock. It works just the same as the rectangle.
Both clocks are made from a single sheet of steel that's laser cut and hand formed and powder coated. Both shapes will come in white, solar yellow, and gray.
And it turned out that design enthusiasts and everyone else we showed it to liked the idea so much that we decided to extend the idea even further and create another lower cost version made out of cardboard. The cardboard packaging industry works just the same as metal fabrication. It's digitally driven and it's customizable. Plus, we were able to create cool, fun graphics printed right on the clock.
So we created dozens of playful and fun graphic designs using photography and original artwork on subjects like art and architecture, food, sports, nature, pop culture, and more. Our plan is to keep working on new designs and ideas. These clocks will also be die cut from a single sheet of recycled cardboard and hand folded. So the final result is a mass-produced and machine-processed item that retains the inherent imperfections and natural character of a crafted paper product.
I've been fortunate to be able to work with many talented and creative people in Southern California to develop this product. Your donations will go towards making the tooling and cutting dies and all the other expensive startup costs. All the products are made and assembled in the US. We've got all the manufacturers and suppliers lined up and ready to go. As thanks for your donations and what amounts to pre-sales, we'll send you first production clocks. We're also offering special materials and custom printing that will only be available to the Kickstarter community. We're really excited about these first few products and hope that you are too. So thanks Kickstarter for all your support and helping us launch the AboutFaceClock. It's really appreciated.